and flood just kill about 19 people inside Germany. The way this natural disaster just they happen nowadays inside this abroad, I can't the one that's on a short thing and never go offend Baba God. For them to do all these kind of things. But we gotta say, this kind of rain, it destroys so many houses. In fact, it destroys so many properties. Even the people where they call as emergency workers, make na quite help them save life. Then these people, some people even die for this thing. To show on and say this thing really strong. My people, I beg, make na follow me watch. Things when it happen, I can't the business. It be like say our weather don't change. It be like say Nigerian weather, it don't enter abroad weather not don't go enter Naija. Because as it be like this kind of rain where I don't even understand. Behind a rain or behind a waiting. Because we even gotta say this rain heavy so that it even break their river bank. I beg this one not be spiritual rain. Rain where we say it go heavy so carry motor, destroy house. I want even the reason I say maybe when people now know say they use better cement or block. Maybe now because now stick where they used to build there. Maybe now this one join carry house. But this rain, they carry motor. They carry big things. I want to talk about it means that this rain serious. So I beg my people in the Germany. Make na day safe or make na day inside house. Because this one I will gotta say, aside people where they even die, some people don't miss. It's not Nigeria now we go reason and say maybe bandits don't kidnap some people, don't carry them, go put somewhere. But this was now abroad and the reason I say rain don't carry them, these people go to rain for so I don't even go kill them. Now I make now some people they complain say they don't miss. But when I say in both people, sharp, they don't bring out emergency units. They don't bring out phone number. We say people go call in case maybe this natural disaster don't affect you for some way. They don't already bring out all this strategy come outside. But me say friend, make I no lie. I reason I'm saying all this kind of rain. It's not Nigeria. This kind of rain like this, people they enter them. Even market children go enter, chook leg, go they buy things. But I don't say because Oyinbo people they're not too strong like that. You know their body not too they don't get body for hard work. They don't do kakaraka things. All this one I enjoy make rain go fit carry person go fling and put for one side. Because I should say that no, small children for Nigeria they go chook leg inside this water. But this one for them, a natural disaster. Now a big thing for them because it don't even kill person. The fact say it kill person self now they pay me. I beg go make na day safe. Behind inside house now go hide because this one now it be like say on an emergency people say they no fit help on. Behind a police, behind a helicopter, they go use hunter, they drag people out of this and known as they want to drop. Because if I watch the video, water don't even they enter people's house. Person window say water don't they enter. This one don't turn Africa finish. Now the kind is where they happen for Africa, now they happen for here. So this one I know to be a heavy rain. I've been a disaster, I don't even want to call. But I beg, make a day safe. If I not say the place, don't make na just inside in a house. Hide for somewhere where we say, I not say, even if the water carry the house, I will still day safe. And people, I beg, I hear this one inside Germany. I can't make a bring and come, make a safe. He's not here. Here, what that happen for that side. Anything when I fear about this one matter, I just talk now. Make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. As it be like this, he don't red for Uganda because the COVID rise for that place, he don't overrise. Everything don't. You know, so these people they complain say COVID day. Now we Nigerians, now we they look and say no day. But for Uganda, it dey on the rise. And as the matter don't be make a shock on them. They say na agbo, na be the solution. Do they don't see the solution is Uganda people. Among everything, agbo na consi. This one no be agbo jadi o. It just be say they do everything locally. And they talk say this one no be say they won't put and say it go cure. You know be say they cure. Not be say they cure, but they just bring them a supplement. But which time then these people consider and gather this whole information? Say, this agbo, this thing with they create, it go cure COVID. Because Oyinbo people, the place where this thing even come from, they don't they do this thing since this thing never cure. How come a whole Uganda Nah, they don't want to see solution. My people beg, make them follow me watch.
Due to the need for more clinical trials to be conducted on Covidex, a local herbal medicine manufactured by Jena Herbal Uganda Limited, the National Drug Authority, or NDA, has not approved it as a cure for COVID-19, but as a supportive treatment for viral infections.
We have advised the innovator, not a National Drug Authority, to carry out the clinical trials. No, it is the owner of the product. In this case, Jena Pharmaceuticals, the innovator of the product. For us, we approve the process. We approve the clinical trial. After the clinical trial, if the data is supportive, that it can, say, treat COVID, that's when we shall pronounce ourselves. At the moment, we cannot do that.
Common viral infections include a sore throat, sinusitis, flu, and pneumonia. Other viral infections that have captured public attention are Ebola, SARS, Zika, yellow fever, viral hepatitis, and COVID-19. NDA says on 27th June, a comprehensive inspection of the factory and assessment of the medicine was undertaken, and within 2 days it approved the medicine. However, there are reservations about a drug being approved for clinical use without adequate clinical trials.
Notification is not like clearance because it is the initial stage. So it's not dangerous in the sense that it is made out of known natural plants.
The National Drug Authority has granted Covidex an approval based on initial assessment, published literature, and safety studies conducted by the innovator. We call upon the public to immediately report any side effects from the use of this product to our own toll-free line, which is 0800 101 999.
And I don't see Abi. The National Drug Authority, now they don't confirm this one. Say in fact the thing don't dey. The thing don't work, and they call am waiting Covidex. COVID destination, you don't enter their land. This now what? It be like medicine. So to be say they do am traditionally. I beg how in attention, now don't test this thing. And I don't test them. Because don't be saying I want to give people supplement to ordinary vaccine where they give people. Some people they see they react. How come in a conscious say this is medicine? This I go be this thing when I do. It go come work. Some people I hope say, look I never say some people. This Uganda government, I hope say this one way in our plan, I hope say go work in our favor. But as we gather info, they say before they approve this medicine, this NDA leader, in commerce I talk say if they want sell this medicine, they go sell them for 3,000 Uganda shillings. That will be 350 naira for inside Nigerian money. But as they can't do this thing finish, Nigeria the man can't, in fact, he overhike. He catapults the price. Enter 50,000 Uganda shillings. This one will be 5,800 naira. On I see the gap from 350 to 5,800. On I sure say thief never they run inside na DNA. How I go just decide wake up say now this kind increase of price now I won't give. On I even reason say on I they do lockdown. I beg when people won't get this money they pay for this kind of thing. This land will be say I sure say for some people to even eat self now suffer. And I can't decide say this kind of money now I want increase just like that. On I know they even reason. And I beg I say this medicine they supposed even make them free. As vaccine now, I don't suspect Uganda people. On I sure say even that vaccine say where people they collect. On I sure say now they pay for them. Because for them to bring out medicine, just supplement, we say they don't even sure say this thing they cure anything. They come and collect money on top. Why the president no reason and say make we do this thing free? Make the people collect them first. Make we come see if this thing go work. If you not can work before you come know okay, if you work we come okay to collect them again to they boost your immune system. You will come pay. Now immediately when they just come out, now don't carry money come outside. Why beside our police everything like this now thief. And I go just they find way to the Magadu and Bagadun people. And I go just they find ways where people I go they extort citizens. And what I should say the average person where they live that land, they don't even get money. They don't get money like that. So how you want to make these people take survive? This thing will never even be cured. It's not even can't cure uncle. That means cure go be like 1 million naira. Now only the rich now go fit afford them. I beg and this thing when I do make na do na research where Maybe na these people wey create this, make dem first drink am. Make we see the reaction. If nothing do, then fine. Maybe na there people go decide say they won't buy. But the money too high, oh, it too high. Now make people they come outside, they complain. So make we self talk say the money too high. It's supposed to even be free. But if na no say you no go be free, make na put am in a price where say everybody go fit buy. Because this thing no be only adults go take am. Children go take am because this disease, this COVID, if they prone to everybody. Everybody now they catch the COVID-19. So make na do am in a case where say these people go fit afford am. Make na no just cause burden on top of people body. Citizens go there, they think of wetin that one chop as COVID day, as lockdown day, they never see that one chop. Now medicine they want the hustle for. Now wow, Uganda, on a matter tire me. I hear this one, I want to make a bring a reach in a side, make na service na ear, hear wetin dey happen. Make no forget to like and also share this video. I go see you on for our next video.